Hey guys, this is Sam here. So right now I have my example website for you guys, and it should be functional. All you guys need to do is go to this link right here. It is edtech2.boisestate.edu/Sam Eisenberg /502/site/full spate.html. Um, so you'll notice that in the HTML, spate is spelled differently from it down here, and that is not a typo. This the URL example is orthographically correct in Albanian. However, a lot of Americans are going to struggle with that pronunciation, spate, which means quickly. Full spate is like speak quickly. Um, Hence the name for my Albanian course. So currently the input feature isn't available um, because I wasn't able to create any back end programming for the site. However, it's the site is somewhat functional, so you'll still be able to use it and still be able to participate in some formative assessments and learn some Albanian. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the memory game, and you just click on that link. And what I've done is I've created, using Google Slides, some flashcards so you can learn the words. And you can click on this icon right here, which will play you the correct pronunciation. So you can scroll through these, and you just click on these, and yeah, you'll see the image right here. And yeah, the image will tell you what this means. So mirdita is good day, right? How are you? Chkemi. Miram Brahma. And so forth. And then you can go ahead and go back, and you can learn some conjugations. So here we have some conjugations. Excuse me. We can go back to memory game. Those are also included in here. You just have to go through. They're towards the end. But yeah, you can see down below here some translations for you. He, she, we, you plural, they masculine, they feminine. And it'll also show you the correct conjugation as well. So yeah, so you go down to conjugame, and yeah, so you can go and you can test. Okay, so I.e. ushed your knowledge, right? T-ye, you-yeni, by completing the test. And once you go to submit, you can view your score. So 4 out of 6 up here. So this is one way to formatively assess yourself on your knowledge. The second part is the practice, and this is to test your listening comprehension. So if you click this link right here, you can play the audio track, right? And then you go down below and you select the correct response, Përshëndetje, and you submit it, right? And you can view your score and see how you did. So I got 1 out of 6, right? Because I didn't answer all of these. But essentially, that is how. Oh, excuse me 1 second. There's also the messenger portion. As I said before, unfortunately, due to the lack of programming skills, I wasn't able to create an insight messenger component. However, you basically can do the same thing by it's the same idea. You go to Google Classroom, you put in this code U44QH5I, and you can write a post to your classmates, right? Përshëndetje, see ya. Which you would do right here, right? Share something with your class. I also wrote it here as an assignment. Write to another user in Albanian. So you would just post that in the class comments down below. And then the teacher would go ahead and, well, of course, you are the teacher essentially, but the idea is that it would, if this was a insight messaging app, it would grade you. However, unfortunately, due to the programming issues, the way I was able to do that is kind of a representation is through Google Classroom, which in a lot of ways functions the same way. However, this would require that an administrator would assess the student as opposed to the actual app, excuse me. And then finally, you can take the cumulative test and test your final knowledge. And it's pretty diverse, right? We have translate the word, English, thank you, he, she, or this would be, you would fill out the correct translations, and then you would submit, right? And then you could see your score. Well, thank you guys very much. I hope you will enjoy my my software that I've created, and please let me know your thoughts.